Shotguns are really versatile firearms. But in order to use that versatility, you really have to have some chokes with you. And along with those chokes, you have to have that choke tool, and it's kind of inconvenient. So what do some people do? Just buy several different shotguns, put a different choke in each, have it work out that way. Costs a whole lot more, but it does eliminate that 45 seconds that it takes to change the choke. Or you could just get yourself an old poly choke. That's what we're going to do today. Test a poly choke on this Sears Model 200. It's got modified, improved cylinder, and full. Let's pattern a poly choke, this time on gun physics. Here's how the poly choke works. The barrel is split at the end in several different places, and when you take the big poly choke nut and put it on it, it clamps down, tightens the barrel, makes it smaller, constricts it, chokes it. Here's the setup. I'm going to shoot left top, left bottom, right top, right bottom. Alright, see what we got. Modified. Improved cylinder. And full. Gonna have to take it home and take a look at it because I don't know that I see a whole lot of difference. So there really isn't much difference. This is the first one. And the second one is a foot ruler, 30 centimeter ruler. And the third one and the fourth one. And the patterns look really similar, but you can't really tell from that. So I cut a bunch of circles. Here's the first one. And about 13 of the pellets are outside the central pattern. Here's the second one laid on top of that. This is 33 scattered random pellets outside. This is the third one. Looks a little tiny bit smaller, maybe 36 outside the hole I cut and 42 outside the hole I cut. So it kind of seems to tighten up, but not that much. I don't think the markings on this thing are correct. Because all the way out, this is modified, but there's quite a bit of space in there, right? So you keep on turning that thing in. It's got 3 more clicks until it bottoms. Those little spaces do seem to be getting a little tighter. So I'm going to try this again, but not use the markings outside, just the number of clicks. So the tightest should be the tightest pattern, and then go out from there. I've unscrewed it, tried to put it on a little bit differently, tried to catch a different set of threads. Doesn't seem to do anything. So that's the tightest it'll go. It's not at a detent though. So I'm going to put it here at 1 detent out. I was using it before. There, and there. Tighten it up a little bit more, see if we can get a tighter pattern, because all of those seem to be exactly the same pattern. I had to find a random hunk of cardboard because I didn't have any more folders. Oh yeah. That looks a lot tighter. Check this out, that's the same foot-long ruler. And here is that circle cut. Looks pretty good. 60 pellets outside the tight central square. But look at the tightness of the pattern. There are a whole lot more pellets concentrated in a much tighter pattern than this one. It works. So I guess the moral of the story is know your poly choke. Just like any firearm, make sure you know exactly how it's running. The markings may not mean what you think they mean, and they may be totally off. Maybe they did the threading improperly or something, but test your firearm before you take it out. Seems to work all right. Seems to be a bit more convenient, but probably a little bit less precise than actually putting chokes in the end of that barrel. I like the idea though. Seems to work out all right. Hey, thanks for watching Gun Physics. Your thumbs up really helps a lot in the ratings, so thanks for that too. And I've got new videos coming out most Tuesdays. Subscribe for more.